me rename this to class. So let me open one more board here now, and I'll say this to be inline. Yeah, let us just go through the syntax. So inline styles. Inline styles are applied to a particular tag as an attribute. We have seen attributes to the tags, right? Like say href. A source is an attribute to the image tag. Okay, href is an attribute to the a tag. And for table, we have seen the border, the cell padding, cell spacing, align. So these are all attributes. So for inline styles to be applied, we give them to a particular tag inline, like then and there only, as an attribute. So how can we give that? So usually we have a tag. I just say tag name, and style is the attribute there which has a value. Now inside the value, as I told you before, like every style must be applied in pairs, property and value pair. So now let's say property value, and I just close it, and let me close the tag name too. So if it's an open and close tag, then yeah, we have this particular syntax here, and here I say element. Let me try this guy. So this is how an inline style is applied. Like take any tag and use style attribute equal to property value pair, and now this particular style is applied on this particular element. Okay, so let's just let me write an example here. You can try in your own system if you want, like as in then and there I'm typing, open a notepad. Yeah, double quotes or single quotes, anything is okay. Usually now I give single quotes because I assume by logic single quotes are faster than double quotes. That's what they say. So it has been a habit to me, like giving single quotes. But sometimes, like if I have to use double quotes inside single quotes or single quotes inside double quotes, yeah, I'll use combinations. Okay, so let's just say let me just take strong tag, and I say style equal to, here I'll say color equal to say red. No, we'll see. Now here I am red colored strong line or I don't know what do you call them, or characters or words, sentence. Yeah, let me say sentence. Oops. Okay, so now you can see here strong, I said style equal to color red, and I'm red color strong sentence and strong close. So let me just type this. I'll start the screen share again. Oops, this thing got stuck. If you oh, something has been a problem here. Well, yeah, if you have your notepad open, just don't type anything, just type the code which have given here, and yeah, okay, fantastic, it has come. Yeah, can you guys see my screen? Well, okay, in that case let me go here, and again the same process, doc type. I always do this, you do, you guys do that too. HTML, then HTML, and here the head goes, and I'll say CSS inline styles. Sorry, it should be title. So title, I gave a title. We have already discussed about the title. And then body here. So let me just type h2 uh, inline style example, let us say. So I'll just type the same example which I have used there on the whiteboard. So strong. So here I say, let me just give, I am a strong red sentence. So I'll just save this on desktop here. And let's say inline styles.html. Cool. So now let me just apply the style as an attribute. So I'm just applying style as an attribute. I say color red. Okay. Can you guys see my screen? Okay, fantastic. So let me just go ahead here, and where is inline styles? Yeah, it's here. Can you see here? Now it says I'm a strong red sentence. It says so. That's how I apply colors. That's inline style. That's an example of inline style. Now let me just give an style to this guy too. So let me. So we'll be discussing more about this. Let's say background. Let me give background. Background as cyan. Let's say. So I go here. I refresh. And can you see it? The color, the background color has been changed to cyan. So that's how we apply the styles. These are inline styles. And no, you cannot see my screen. Arun, is in my screen shared? Ah, great. So can you see now? Okay. So I haven't done anything. See, I just applied an inline style to this h2 tag and the strong tag, and I gave the background to this and the color to this. So background and color are two properties which we'll be discussing in tomorrow's class. Like what are all the kinds of attributes, or sorry, properties we can give to a style, a rule. Okay, so yeah, that's how I can apply the inline style. So inline styles are given then and there by the tag. These are the tag itself. Now inline styles are applied only to that particular tag. They're not global. Like say if I want, let me just give another strong here. Two more strongs. Okay, since strongs are inline tags, they appear side by side. And let me say if this guy says red sentence and red sentence, let's say, and let me just delete this style attribute here. I'm closing. For convenience, let me give a BR. I don't want them to appear side by side. Okay, right. So we just go here. Now you see here, inline styles are applied to that particular tag only. Wherever I give an inline style, it's applied only there. So do you have any solution to this thing? Like suppose I have some 100 red sentences. I have some 100 strong red sentences in my web page, and for that I gotta type everywhere, every strong. I gotta go to every strong and type inline styles. So that's kind of a problem to me. It's like wasting my time. So is there any solution to that problem? Yeah, there is a solution to that problem. That solution is internal style. So now if I want to apply styles to a particular tag all over my web page, yeah, internal style is a solution. If I want to apply a particular style to certain number of tags only, not all tags, yeah, the solution is internal style. So let's see how internal style works. Let me just drag this guy. Oops, this guy is disturbing me. Let me just put Yeah, I'm back. My connection was lost. So internal style. What is internal style? Internal style. Uh, this style is applied, or let me say, let me try this guy here. Let me say, uh, this style is applied to the selectors mentioned. Okay, again, styles are nothing but rules. I'll talk about selectors. For definition purpose, I'm using selectors here. Selectors can be anything. We'll see that pretty soon. Okay, and the internal style has a tag now. That tag is a style tag. Okay, and the style tag lies inside the head tag, just like the title tag. Okay, the style tag resides inside the head tag, and if the browser encounters the style tag, it feels like, hey, there's an internal style given here, so let's apply it. We'll see how does it work. So internal style, the name itself says, like, this style is applied to this particular page. If the browser sees a style tag inside the head tag, it assumes that, okay, this particular page has this internal style. So let us use these rules. Again, I say styles are nothing but rules for me. So I will always say, like, whenever I say style, I say rule, because it's a rule actually. Like, here in the previous example, I said strong. I'm a strong red sentence. So it's a rule. Apply this rule. Like, make him red. That's what I say. Okay. So let us see the syntax of this. So I said again, it resides inside a style tag. Okay, so style, inside the style I said a selector. Okay, let's talk about selector in a while. So again, the same thing, property value. So like such, I can give any number of properties and values. So this is how an internal style is given. It resides, the style tag resides inside the head tag, and inside the style tag I'll use some selectors, and then I'll apply this property values on that selector. So what exactly is a selector now? We've been talking about selectors from a while. So a selector is an identifier. So what exactly identifies? Like, say for instance, uh, I have to apply this style. Okay, I have to apply this rule to a particular tag, let me say. Now, to which tag do I apply this rule? Let's say paragraph. Let's take one tag, paragraph. So paragraph, I have to apply this rule on paragraph. So let me identify this paragraph. Where is this paragraph? Okay, so this paragraph tag is a selector. So it just identifies, on which this rule to be applied. So that's what is a selector. So there are different types of selectors, different kinds of selectors, I say, but we won't be discussing that now. I'll discuss about the types of selectors later when it's appropriate, but I'll just give the names. So a selector can be a tag, an ID, or a class. So a selector can be a tag, an ID, and class. Like how? So if I say tag, suppose p tag, let me just give an example here. Now you guys, we go here. So I'll just type an example here. Now I won't type this style again. Let me say p tag. Let's take a p tag, and I say color red. If I say like this, what it means is, like, if I have written this particular rule inside the style tag, and now the selector is p tag. Okay, so now it says, like, to the browser, wherever you find this p, apply color red to the text or to the element which is inside the p tag. That's what it says. So now p is the selector. So instead of going to every p tag in my web page, I can directly take this p tag. Okay, now I have to apply these colors, this color red to every p tag in my web page. Yeah, why can't I give it on at a single time? So that's what these inline styles, internal styles does. Like internal style helps us, just to apply the styles in a more single time, like once we can apply the styles and let it go. So let's just see an example in the previous case. Like, so you guys got any questions here? I can just answer. So the difference between inline and internal is like inline style is for a particular tag which I apply in there, whereas internal style